Proweb allows you to add your own questions for customers to answer as part of the booking process. To add a question, select Proweb in the left-hand sidebar and click Manage Settings. Then click on the Booking Questions tab. To add a new question, click Add Question. We're going to add a question relating to an airport location. You can choose from a variety of question types and decide if an answer is mandatory. You can also specify which location a question relates to. In this example, we only want this question to appear if a customer has selected our airport location. We type in the question in the first box as shown here. Then we select the question type. We're going to use the short text option as the customer will be entering a flight number. The question is going to be mandatory, so we toggle the mandatory option to the on position. As the question only relates to our airport location, we select this location from the drop-down list as shown here. Once you're happy with your question, click Add and it will appear on the main Booking Questions tab as shown here. If you need to edit the question, click the pencil icon on the right-hand side of the screen. Let's add another question. This time, we want to ask the customer if they have more than 6 points on their driving licence. We type in the question, select the question type, which is going to be yes or no, and we're going to set the correct answer as no. We can also add some text to be displayed if the customer answers yes. Here, we're going to ask them to contact the rental office if they have more than 6 points on their licence. We're also going to make the response to this question mandatory. This question relates to all sites, so we're selecting all sites using the checkbox to the left of the search box. To add our new question, we click Add, and it now appears alongside our original question on the Booking Questions tab. These questions will then be displayed to the customer as part of the booking process, as shown here.